Hello, good morning, good afternoon, good day. Welcome sa ating YouTube channel, Ma'am Richelle and Sir Bobby's YouTube channel. Sa mga hindi pa nakasubscribe, please hit like and subscribe button na nasa baba ng inyong ng ating video. Again, welcome sa Ma'am Richelle and Sir Bobby's YouTube channel. Okay, meron tayong bagong na-discover dito sa YouTube na meron na palang podcast ang YouTube ngayon. So, balik alindog po tayo sa ating YouTube channel. And meron po tayong topic na gusto nating i-share sa inyo. Meron po tayong topic dito, What I Wish I Knew Then. Isa po itong book na nabili natin sa National Bookstore na tingin ko napakaganda nitong pag-usapan. Napakaganda nitong book na to para sa lahat ng mga teenager natin dyan na nakikinig sa ating YouTube channel, no? Sa mga nanonood ng mga videos natin. Okay, meron itong I think 9 episodes. Okay, meron itong 9 episodes na pag-uusapan natin dito sa ating channel. First episode is the title of first episode is Be Your Own Knight in Shining Armor. No need to wait for Prince Charming. Okay? By the way, ito ay para sa lahat ng mga teenager na nahiwalay sa kanilang parents, or di ba kaya broken family, or kahit hindi broken family, as long as teenager ka, para sa ito mga story natin ngayon. The first topic is Be Your Own Knight in Shining Armor. No need to wait for Prince Charming. So ito yung unang pag-uusapan natin. Bale, episode number 1 natin sa podcast natin dito sa YouTube, no? So napakaganda na ng YouTube natin kasi meron ng podcast. So parang all-in-one na yung channel natin sa YouTube, no? Kasi meron ng podcast. Okay, ano ba itong topic number 1? By the way, itong story natin is isang story ng teenager girl na nabuntis siya. Okay, nabuntis siya, tapos gusto niyang magbigay ng lesson sa mga katulad niya mga teenager. Gusto niyang i-share sa inyo kung ano yung kanyang karanasan. Bakit ba nasabi niya na be your own knight in shining armor? No need to wait for Prince Charming. Okay, ito yung story niya. So babasahin ko yung story niya, tapos babasahin natin yung mga lesson learned niya as teenager. Okay, let us start. Okay, I used to swoon over Tom Cruise Line, the movie Jerry Maguire. Okay, you complete me. I used to believe that someone is out there who can make me complete and happy. Believing that I needed someone to complete me made me focus outward, always looking for external validation, for the assurance that I am lovable. I did not recognize that I was looking for love in all the wrong places. When my dad died, I lost the chance to be looked after and loved by a father. Being in a relationship, any relationship, even if it's not in my best interest, somehow help fill that void. Okay? Relationship expert Ian Van Zandt stated that Women who have grown up without their fathers often struggle in relationships as they haven't had a strong male role model to teach them. It did not help that most women are led to believe that they are incomplete without a man in their lives, and that the highlight of being a woman is to get married and have babies. Instead of being on the need to have a boyfriend, focus on you. Okay? Yun yung sabi ng author. Know yourself, your likes and dislikes. Learn new skills like creative writing or rock climbing. Meet new people, travel, and expose yourself to different ways of life. When you do not have a strong sense of self, you tend to sacrifice who you really are and to morph into someone that you think is desirable or lovable for the other person. You rearrange your life so that it involves around him, to the point that you have no time to accommodate your own set of priorities and friends. You become clingy and needy, fighting relentlessly to make the relationship work even when the best thing to do is to end it. Stop waiting anxiously for Prince Charming. Live your life and pursue your goals. So yun yung gustong sabihin ng author. Live your life and pursue your goals. Sino yung mga teenager dito na nanonood or nakikinig sa ating podcast na mahilig maghanap ng sabi Prince Charming? In short, mga boyfriend, mga loved ones. So especially sa mga girls, no, mga babae, mahilig silang maghanap ng, sabihin natin, makakausap daw, makakasama, ayan, makakabanding. Merong quotation from Martha Beck. Looking for love before developing a strong sense of self is like trying to find the mate of a shoe you've never seen. Okay? Looking for love before developing a strong sense of self is like trying to find the mate of a shoe you've never seen. So, mahirap. So, dapat pala, bago ka pumasok sa isang relasyon is nahanap mo na yung sarili mo. Okay, that is according to Martha Beck. Okay, that was our episode number 1 when I was sa ating podcast entitled What I Wish I Knew Then. That was episode number 1. Again, sa lahat ng mga teenager na nanonood or nakikinig sa podcast, hanapin nyo muna yung mga sarili nyo, abutin nyo muna yung mga pangarap bago tayo pumasok sa isang relasyon na hindi naman tayo sigurado. By the way, nandyan lang naman yung sinasabi nating relationship. Nandyan lang naman yung mga tao. Nandyan lang naman yung girl. Nandyan lang naman yung mga boy. Ang tunay na kalaban is the time. Kasi yung author nito is teenager siya tapos nabuntis. And unluckily, yun na nga, hindi siya pinanagutan ng lalaki. Kaya nagsulat siya ng ganitong libro para ma-aware yung mga or magbigay ng mensahe sa mga teenager. Kaya naging ganito pala siya dahil namatay yung kanyang namatay yung kanyang papa, tapos naglong siya ng isang attention ng father figure. Siguro hindi natin siya masisisi kasi nga naglolong siya ng father figure, so nahanap niya dun sa boy na naging boyfriend niya. But the message of the story is mag-stand ka lang sa sarili mo, no? Huwag kang maghanap muna ng huwag ka muna maghanap ng mga lalaking sabihin natin na tutulong sa iyo. Yun yung lesson sa story. Dapat ikaw mismo marunong kang magtanggol sa sarili mo, marunong kang tumayo sa sarili mo. Okay? Kahit babae ka. Okay, that is episode number 1, and see you on our next episode number 2. Okay?